Ever pondered on the art of multiplying your indoor greenery for a more lush and vibrant space? Propagation, the process of creating new plants from a variety of sources, seeds, cuttings, bulbs, and other plant parts, is an easy and cost-effective way to increase your plant collection. This journey begins with selecting the right plant. Some popular indoor plants ideal for propagation include the pothos, spider plant, succulents, and the snake plant. The first method to consider is stem cuttings. This involves cutting a portion of the plant stem and planting it directly into the soil. The cut should be made below a node, which is where a leaf joins the stem. It's a hub of plant cell activity and will stimulate root growth in your cutting. Another approach is leaf cuttings. This is particularly useful for plants with fleshy leaves like succulents. Simply take a healthy leaf, let it dry for a day or two until a callus forms over the cut surface. This prevents the leaf from absorbing too much water and rotting. Then, stick the calloused end into the soil. Division is a third method, ideal for plants that naturally produce multiple stems, like the spider plant. Gently separate the plant into 2 or more sections, making sure each has roots attached, and plant them separately. Layering is yet another technique. It involves stimulating a stem to develop roots while it's still attached to the parent plant. Make a small cut on the stem, then wrap it with damp moss and plastic wrap. Once roots develop, you can cut the stem off and plant it. The final method is by using offsets or pups, which are the small plants that develop at the base of the parent plant. Simply remove these with a sharp, clean knife and plant them separately. Remember, after the propagation process, the young plants need consistent care. Keep them in a warm place with plenty of indirect light and keep the soil lightly moist. Over time, these cuttings will develop roots and grow into new plants, adding more life and greenery to your indoor space. In summary, whether through stem cuttings, leaf cuttings, division, layering, or using offsets, propagation can help you fill your home with more of the plants you love. It's a simple, cost-effective, and rewarding process. So why not give your green thumb a workout and start propagating today?